a story, to be successful in a short story, needs to have 4 parts. What are those 4 parts?
Beginning.
Yeah, okay. The beginning, it needs to start at some point. See this also as an opportunity to give an introduction to place. Introduction to place. So let's change the word beginning. Let's go for setting or introduction to place. Anybody remember another one? There are 4 parts. Maybe a different table, Billy?
Development, but it's not the one that's not.
Yeah. Problem. Beginning and problem and development are something which is never going to fit in that small space. Go over for a different table again.
Solution.
Solution, yeah. Oh, okay. 4 parts to a story. What we're going to try and do today is work out how we can manipulate those 4 parts, include good techniques, and create a perfect story. Ideally, what you're going to finish with today is a story that is perfect for your target level, whether that is level 4, level 5, level 6.